Hello everyone, it's Nellie from Be Planner Happy, and today I am going to decorate a week in my skinny mini gratitude journal. Let's see, it's this week here. Last week we did the lips, which were so funny, but this week I am really trying to but use up stickers that I have, that I've been having for a long time. So this was a kit, or it was, I can't remember if it was all separate or not, but it's from Fiona Jardine Designs. She's got some really cute stuff. Last time I went to her Etsy shop, it was like some of this stuff was missing. Like she had some parts of it, but not all of it. So, and I had gotten it like a long time ago. So I'm not sure how much of this is still available, but you can check her out on Etsy. You'll probably find something that you like because she's got some really cute stuff. So I pulled out this washi. I thought it would go good. I don't really have a plan as far as what I'm doing, but I know it's got a February, so I'm going to use that. And I think I want to use this across the top. It's just really cute. So let's just, and I know it's going to cut off a little bit of this this week, but that's all right because it's just too cute not to use. And it's a printable, so if I ever want to use it again, I can. That is the most wonderful part of buying printables, is that you don't have to be, too picky about where you use them, because if you want to use them again, you just print them out again. And you can do another spread with it. I've probably done, I don't know, maybe 3 or 4 spreads with this sticker kit. Or these, I think she sells them separate, like there's like this was 1 page, or I don't know. I just remember like it wasn't all together. Look how cute that is. Okay, and I might save this little piece for something, I'm not sure. All right, so let's put that here. As you can see, as I've used it, I've just kind of transferred it all onto these pages. I'm wondering how this would look going down this way. Let's just try it. And you know what? I said I was going to use that February, but I don't know where I would put February on here. Let me see how this looks. Might look dumb, but we'll find out if it looks dumb or not. I think I'm off. Wait a minute. I love this sticker paper. It's by Online Labels. Might be easier if I just do one side and then the other. And it's removable. It's their removable white matte sticker paper. And I love it because it just makes it so easy to add, to put it on and take it off. And you don't have to be too worried about getting it perfect every time. How do we like that? The cut down the middle. I'm going to leave it, and then we'll decide later if we like it or not. Because sometimes you just don't know until it's on there and you're doing the spread. Who's been keeping up with their Skinny Mini? I really love this one. This is my first year with the Skinny Mini. I didn't really even see them before. Okay, that looks cute now that it's cut, right? All right, I don't think I'm going to have room for this February here. Oh, maybe I can just cover up some of the stars. Can't go in the middle. It'll cover their faces. You know what? I think I'm okay with it just covering up a couple stars. Let's do it at an angle like that. That's cute. I'm good with that. This side and this side. Today I am doing like a mass videoing, what do you call it? Recording? Filming. Yeah, filming. I've got them all lined up over there, and hopefully I get through them all. This week I was busy. I wasn't able to film much or even post much. Okay, so this one is my gratitude. So we don't have a whole lot of space to write. I'm going to add this washi because I love washi. And then basically I'm just going to put it across. So I'm going to pause it and then I'll bring you back when that's done. All right, guys, look how cute that looks already. Next thing I'm going to do is, since we were covering up the days, I'm going to have to white those out and cover them with, I'm going to put these and I'm going to use these. So let me do that real quick and I will bring you guys, well, I guess I can do one. Not that you guys don't know how to do this, but just to show you how I do it. Basically just cover the day and the month, and then I'm going to put, this is Monday. Do I want to do it here? You know what, let's do something a little different. I'm going to do like that just to change it up a bit. I really hate how white this is though. I wish it was a little not as bright. Okay, so I'm going to do that and then I'll bring y'all right back. Okay, so I went ahead and put the days and then I also put the dates. And these are a little higher than those, but that's okay. I think it looks fine and it's cute. It's different. Not doing the same thing every single week. So now we get to do just some of the cute stuff. Let's see. I don't want to use any, I don't think I want to use any of these clear ones. And these say bill due. Yeah, I don't think I'll be using any of that. That I've already used. So we're sticking with these. Let's just put a few of these really cute little kitty cats. This one's adorable. Taking a nap. So I'm going to put nap time right here. Nap time. And let's put one of these little hearts if we can get it. Oh my gosh. There we go. Nap time. And maybe this little guy looking at him sleeping. Like, what are you doing, dude? Nope, nap time should have been pushed over. Nope, okay. This one's a little shorter. Let's see. He's cute. He's just looking over at him like, okay, maybe a nap does sound good. Let's see. I want to put, this one's too cute too. Oh, I got him already. He's in a box up there. Okay, so we don't need him there too. I like the little toys. So let's put one of these guys. Let's put him here. Oh, I'm going to cut off the little white on his feet so that he's sitting on the washi. Let's put him there. And then I want to put, I saw here. That's cute. Let's do like this. Again, I'm going to just cut that off a little bit. I don't know if you can see what I'm doing. Cutting it off. Sometimes, I don't know, just makes it look better. Okay, so we've got that there. Let's put two things up here. We need somebody maybe looking to the left, or is that all the kitty cats we have? Oh, I've got these also. A lot of them are just kind of the same, you know, because this, like I said, it's left over. So let's do, I think we need a little orange. So let's cut the feed me. Actually, let's just cut off the bottom. And he can go here, like that, with his little food. Let's see. Leave me alone. Just chilling. Let's see, just chilling. Let's put the just chilling here. I'm going to cut off the white just because I need to save as much space as possible for writing. So, get off. Okay. Let's just put that right there. He's just chilling. And then, let's see. I think we need something on Monday. This is cute. Although that might be too much blue there, huh? Yeah, I think that would be that blue. That's a little too much. So maybe let's put, let me think about it. Time to relax. This is cute. Just a little paw print. And then who else looks really cute and needs to be in here? I kind of feel like I need a little kitty cat here. Maybe just this white face. He's like, you know what? I'm going to cut him like that. And he's just peeking up. There. That's cute. And I kind of really want to use this little mouse. The mouse is adorable. Let's see, the mouse got away from these two because they were taking a nap. That's what I think happened here. Little mouse is getting away. Maybe he's gonna say not happening. Or this one, Friday. I don't know. Let's see. What else do we want to put? It's cute. Oh, you know what? This is what the little mouse is going for. He's going to go to their food bowl. Okay. I think that's cute. And let's see, maybe one more little addition. What do you think? I don't like to leave me alone because, you know, this is like a gratitude journal. It's supposed to be positive. There's a meow. Somebody's saying meow. All right, I think what I'm going to do is I am just going to use up all of these little things here. Let's see. That, and then we've got some stars. Let's put that star there. And then what else do we have? We've got these stars. Here's a heart with a little arrow through it. Let's put it here. And then let's put this little blue star with it. And then we've got the gray one. Let's do like a little thing here. Like that. And then this little heart here. So this skinny mini, which is what this is really good for using up leftover stickers from different spreads, I think. Okay, that cute little cluster. Are we missing anything? Do we want to try like one of these little clouds? And then let's try them. One of these over here. Kind of want that. Let's put it here. Okay. And then maybe let's do one more of these little guys. Oh, he's saying feed me. We don't have a gray one. Or do we want him standing? I think he's kind of big. He'll take up way too much space. Yeah. I can use him in my skinny. So what I'm going to do with him is also, he's going to be peeking over the little end here. Just like that. All right, I think that's good. Next week, is it next week maybe? Yeah, I'll be covering this because it says focus on your goals, and we want it to look more gratitude-ish. All right, so that's that. And here we are. Oh, you know what? I should punch him a little bit. But that's okay. I'll do that off camera. All right, it's all done. Very cute. Let me see. I'll go a little closer so you guys can see it. There you go. I hope you guys enjoy the video, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks so much for watching.